Hello, and thanks for watching this brief overview of the HP2000 Auxiliary Power Unit. For over a decade, Parks Industries LLC has been designing and building APUs in the heart of the USA. Parks Industries LLC is the exclusive manufacturer and designer of the HP2000 APU. We've furnished our APUs to overseas military applications, airports, construction equipment, emergency vehicles, as well as Class 7 and 8 trucks. With over 10 years in testing and on-road use, the HP2000 has proven to be the most capable, dependable APU on the market. The HP2000 Auxiliary Power Unit was designed specifically for the transportation industry and was designed and built to handle the extreme temperatures and conditions drivers battle every day. By eliminating the need for the truck's engine to idle, fuel usage is reduced significantly, while at the same time allowing the driver to enjoy all the comforts that are normally associated with an idling engine. By now, you've heard of all the downsides of not owning an APU. Legislation is now in place in many states which make it illegal for you, the driver, to cool or heat your truck cab and eliminates the ability to use the things you need. Being caught idling for these purposes can result in fines as much as $20,000 or even jail time. Aside from keeping legal and avoiding large fines, using an APU poses several other great benefits. Let's talk about some of the great benefits of owning an APU. Idling is expensive. At $4 per gallon, the average annual idling fuel cost for one truck is over $12,000. In addition, idling is hard on your truck's main engine. Engine oil life, air filter life, and starters can all experience a shorter than expected life due to constant idling. The HP2000 allows you to cut these costs. Whenever you pull over for a rest, the HP2000 allows you to turn off your truck's main engine. Simply enter in your desired temperature to the digital controller, and the HP2000 will provide hot or cold air to keep you comfortable while simultaneously charging your batteries and powering your necessary electronics. By using your HP2000, you'll burn 90% less fuel when compared to idling your main engine. It will also cut down on engine maintenance costs. For the average driver, the HP2000 will pay for itself within 9 months of operation. Owning an APU also poses a significant environmental impact. The environment also stands to gain from your addition of an HP2000. Think about it. While idling, your engine burns through a full gallon of diesel fuel per hour. This relates to about 22 pounds of CO2 and potentially harmful emissions into the atmosphere per hour. An HP2000 emits only a small fraction of CO2 and potentially harmful emissions as your main engine. This results in cleaner air and a healthier environment for us and for future generations. Now let's talk about the features specific to the HP2000. The HP2000 is the only APU that utilizes a reversing heat pump system. With our patented heat pump design, the HP2000 can produce an amazing 18,000 BTU heating capacity and 15,000 BTU cooling capacity. The integrated alternator provides 65 amps of continuous power to charge your batteries and power your electronics. With the optional inverter kit, you can get 2,000 watts of 110-volt AC power in the cab of your truck. If you already have an inverter, the HP2000 is compatible. Installation is quick and simple. Unlike most APU installations, the complete HP2000 APU system can be fully installed in as little as 6 hours. Features such as plug-and-play electrical design, no drill frame rail mounts, and integrated condenser streamline the installation process. Strong, light, and quiet. The HP2000 runs smooth and quiet at only 70 dB. The enclosure for the HP2000 is constructed from a tough 14-gauge metal. The insulated locking enclosure reduces sound and protects the engine components from environmental hazards. All of the components of the system have been on-road tested to ensure longevity in the extremes drivers face every day. Digital in-cab control module. The HP2000's controls are accurate, informative, and easy to operate. You select the temperature, then the system maintains the cabin at a comfortable climate. 3 LEDs indicate system status. 2 different modes allow you to select climate control or battery monitor mode. The controller will display the current and set temperatures, the voltage of your batteries, and the engine run hours. It will also notify you when your unit needs serviced. Fully tested and proven. After several years of on-road testing, the HP2000 has proven to be very reliable. Perkins has approved the design of the HP2000 to be a suitable environment for their motor, and in return, they stand behind a 2-year, 2,000-hour warranty on all engine components. We know that you will be so satisfied with your HP2000 that there's a 1-year warranty on all of the system components not already covered by Perkins. Large network of service centers. Performing general maintenance is a necessity in order to get the longest life possible out of your HP2000. A full list of our service centers can be found on our website, HP2000APU.com. With over 20 locations in the U.S., there's sure to be an authorized service center near you. For those of you who want to service your own APU, the HP2000 has been designed to be very easily serviced. The HP2000 is designed so that all serviceable components are located in an easy-to-access location. The HP2000 Auxiliary Power Unit, quality without compromise.